So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show a new cryptocurrency mining website where you can mine cryptocurrency. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, I'll put the link in the description of the YouTube video. You can click the link, and when you click the link you come this side. So guys, this is the website you can see. So this is the website you can see. So guys, when first you come, then you have to register here. So guys, for register, you can click here, and you can put your username, anything, and email, and you can select a passport. And then I click and I am not robot, and then you can start. So guys, I have already registered here, so I'm going to log in. Guys, for login, I am uh, so guys, I am going to log in. You can see. So guys, this is my password and username. So guys, this is the website. You can see here is I am not robot. You can feel steer is where. So it's verified. You can see guys, I am logged in this website. So guys, this is the internal of this website. This is the website you can see where you can mine cryptocurrency. So guys, I'm going to show more features also. So guys, you have to mine, then you can come here, click on miners, and if you come down, then you can mine any cryptocurrency. Like you have to mine BTC, then you increase this to 100%, and you have to mine other also available here. You can mine sim coin also here. You can mine Ethereum here is also. You can mine ADA and more also. So guys, you can mine LTC also here is given. So guys, I am mining TRX here. You can see I have mined 17 TRX here. This is my mining. So guys, I have put it 100% mining speed. So guys, here you can click and you can reinvest this also to increase power. So guys, this is the website, and I will show you more feature also. So guys, when you click here, then we can deposit also here guys. You can see which cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Then you can click the cryptocurrency, like and you have to click the tone, then click here, and how much amount you have to deposit. Then you can deposit this, click right here, and you can deposit. I don't say to deposit, but maybe cannot do it though, or maybe any problem can. So guys, I'm last time going to do is I will do here. When you mine cryptocurrency, then you can withdraw here. Here is exchange option available here also. So guys, when here you click and exchange the cryptocurrency where you mined, and you can withdraw also. So guys, you have to withdraw BTC. Maybe you have to withdraw BTC. Then you click here, and we can put the amount here, how much BTC you want to withdraw. So guys, I am clicking. So guys, this is I am clicking. You can see. So guys, and here you can put your wallet address, receive wallet address BTC, and withdraw. Click. Then I have not funds. Then I have not I have not withdrawing. So guys, here is my TRX. I am going to try the withdraw. So guys, this is, and you can click here. Then and the minimum withdraw payout is 115 TRX, but I have only 17 TRX. So as you can see, when my TRX become 115, then I can withdraw also here from. So guys, this is very good website. You can see there is USDT also available. So guys, here in more feature also, you can see here is setting also. What about setting? You can see here you can put your information, and here is referral program guys also. You can refer your friend. So guys, we can see this is the website. So guys, I'll put the link in the description. You can click and come here, and you can mine started. And this is very good website. You can see so guys, many feature also there. You can see I'll put link in description. Please click and come here. I'll also put my Telegram ID in description, so you can join our Telegram channel to get a new mining website fast. And you can subscribe our channel and like the video. Please share the video also to help tutor. Thank you so much.